Hey, that's the guy over here. Check out this. This is the boat. They're gonna go back to Skeldon tonight, leaving at 10 o'clock. So a lot of those people that come for the fete, most of them leaving tonight. They should be there in the morning time, I guess. So a lot of people waiting here for boat. Some people in the club still spotting, because these guys, they spot last night till about 3 and then they start back at 6. I don't know, man. But there's a beautiful stallion out here. So, you know, this is what I do. And a lot of people are gonna be over there with the other boat. And then when they finish from the club, they're gonna come through that way, and then 10 o'clock sharp. That's what the captain say. They're gonna leave for Skeldon. A lot of these people come from Skeldon. They live out in Skeldon, resident here, but they go and they work in Skeldon, and sometime on the weekend they come because the big boat is very cheap. I think it's $1,000, but like we pay a lot of money because we charter a smaller boat. But this is it. What they did, sometimes they tie hammock. So they tie those hammock and they sleep in the hammock. The other boat is like over there. I can't get to see. I'm going to try to see if I can get to the hammock so you can see those hammock. Look. Wow. See those hammock over there? It's right through. Oh, there's a double-decker hammock at the bottom. So most of the people, they slept most of the time when they go out with the kids and everything. 2 sets of hammock. Hi there, you going out? Yeah. So you don't have a hammock? Nope, you don't have a hammock. So you're gonna take it rough and tough. All right, there you. And you got a hammock? You got a hammock downstairs. All right. So what time you guys expect to be over there? And you leave in 10. And what time you expect to be in Skeldon? 4 or 5 in the morning. Okay. Right, that's how it is. Board load on lock. And double, triple hammock. And they're gonna roll. And some people with sponge on top. And check this out. Crab man trying to ride a donkey in the river. For some reason he find a donkey cat in the river. Roping and Tony's the co-pilot. There's a hardly passenger cat today. We start dry boat. And he make the boat turn into a donkey cat. Oh, you got us a water donkey.
The travel so fast. It's the man here. Look at man here. Put the man here, mate. Oh, slow this speed down.
Grab, man.
Let it go.
Hold your rope, brother. Hold your rope. Traveling. There's the boom of the boat, and this is me in front here. You know. So that's these guys have been waiting for no land to take off. You know, as we go by, I'm gonna give you this is gonna be a vlog movie. All right, check this guy out from back. He's like really right in the action. Look, check the way he's going up and down. We're still traveling out by the edge of the water. There's a creek running there. Still going. And we get the man riding the donkey. Look like when he riding the donkey in the boat. Out, boat going in. Yes, this guy breaks down. No, boat man, go help the guy now. I think I messed up, Captain. You want help? Suriname boat. Come from the Carey to Guyana. That's the ferry you could go with if you want to go to Suriname. There we go. South of the duty-free. And we are approaching Scotland. So this video, I want to call it the fun trip out of Orealla. Alright, it's the last video. Have fun, guys. Tony, video?
Laura.
Yeah. That's my Orealla parrot. I bring him from Orealla. And he's gonna go join his family, Habibi. So we're out of Orealla. We're at the road going back to Blackbush. And this is a little Oreallan walk parrot. Hey, little bug girl. How are you? Yeah. Yeah? Thank you. Hey guys, that's the video. We call it the fun video out of Orealla. Anyway, we have 4 videos that we made in Orealla. But stay tuned for that. I can't get it done to get it edited until probably half of next month because I still got to keep up with my work over here. So just enjoy this one, but the real deal is still to come. The real Orealla deal is still to come. There's a lot of fun. There's 4 videos coming out of that. All right, so enjoy and stay tuned. Look for we got some other video that gonna be between, and then the Orealla gonna come up. All right, take care, Sky.